How to fix no DP signal from your device Dell monitor DisplayPort cable. So if this is happening and if your Dell monitor shows that specific error, then it usually means the monitor isn't receiving a signal from your PC. So you can start by checking the basics. Make sure the DisplayPort cable is firmly plugged into whichever slot it goes into, of course. There's going to be a few indicators here that we are about to show. And again, make sure you plug it into both the monitor and the GPU. So not just the motherboard. Then turn off your PC and then monitor. Unplug them for about 30 seconds and reconnect everything before powering it back on. Next, you can press the monitor's menu button and manually set the input source to the display port, since auto detect can sometimes fail. So just go ahead to the input source and make sure you choose the correct one. And if it still doesn't work, you can try to switch a different DisplayPort cable or another DP port on your graphics card and test the monitor with another device if possible. You can also reseat your GPU or update your graphics driver or boot into BIOS to check if any signals appear. If you want to do the graphic driver restart or update, you can go ahead directly to your Windows and then search for your device manager. Here, you're going to have to search for your display adapters, which is going to be right here. You're going to go ahead and choose your GPU, right click on that and press on update the driver. So this isn't really always the newest version, but after installing, you can restart your PC to apply the changes and it will keep the drivers updated, improving the performance, and it could fix the bugs that is making the display error happening or just it not launching in general. But those are a few options you can do if you are getting the no DP signal from your device Dell monitor. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.